So, what will be the most important trends in AI in 2025? Well, I'm going to share my own educated guesses, so let's get cracking with these important AI trends in 2025. Trend number 1. Agentic AI. So, what are AI agents? Well, they're intelligent systems that can reason, plan, and take action. An AI agent can break down complex problems, create multi-step plans, and interact with tools and databases to achieve goals. Most people are on board with the idea of a well-performing AI agent. But the issue is that today's models struggle with consistent logical reasoning. They can usually execute simple plans, but when it comes to handling complex scenarios with multiple variables, they often lose track and make decisions that don't quite add up. So, we'll need better models in 2025 to solve this problem. Trend number 2. Inference time compute. During inference, an AI model works with real-time data, comparing the user's query with the information processed during training and stored in its weights. Newer AI models are extending inference processing, essentially spending more time thinking before giving you an answer. The amount of time spent thinking varies depending on the complexity of the task. A simple request might take just a second or two, while something larger and more difficult might take several minutes. What makes inference time compute models interesting is that this reasoning can be tuned and improved without having to retrain or tweak the underlying model. So now, there are two places where reasoning can be improved in large language models: during training with better data and during inference with improved chain of thought training. This could ultimately lead to smarter AI agents in 2025. Trend number 3. Extremely large models. Large language models consist of many parameters that are refined during the training process. The frontier models in 2024 have about 1 to 2 trillion parameters. But the next generation of models is expected to be many times larger than that, possibly reaching upwards of 50 trillion parameters. This increase in size will allow for even more powerful and capable AI systems in 2025. Trend number 4. Very small models. But if 2025 is the year of enormous models, it might also be the year of very small models. These models might only have a few billion parameters, and yes, you don't often hear the phrase only a few billion, but here we are. These smaller models don't need massive data centers packed with GPU to operate. Instead, they can run on your laptop or even your phone. For example, I have the 3.8 billion parameter Phi 3 model running on my laptop, and my device doesn't even break a sweat while running it. So, expect to see more models of this size, specifically tuned to complete certain tasks without requiring large compute resources. Trend number 5. Advanced enterprise use cases. Now, do you know what the most common enterprise use cases for AI were in 2024? According to a Harris poll, they included improving customer experience, its operations and automation, virtual assistants, and cybersecurity. Looking ahead to 2025, we'll see more advanced use cases. Think about customer service bots that can solve complex problems instead of just routing tickets. AI systems that can proactively optimize entire IT networks, or security tools that adapt to new threats in real time. Trend number 6. Near infinite memory. When we first start using the ChatGPT starting models, the context window for that model was under 5,000 tokens. Today's models have context windows measured in the hundreds of thousands or even millions of tokens. We are getting closer to near infinite memory, where chatbots can remember everything they know about us at all times. Soon, we'll be in the era of customer service chatbots that can recall every conversation they've ever had with us, which, hopefully, will be a good thing. So, those are the top AI trends I believe we'll see in 2025. From huge models to tiny ones, an AI that remembers everything, the future of artificial intelligence is looking more exciting than ever. What do you think? Which trend are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This is Simplify AI, and I hope you like this video, and if you want more video on latest advancement on AI around the globe, you can subscribe our channel for future updates.